Hey everybody. I didn't mean to keep that filter on. I thought I took it off. Well, it's gonna be a day that I am doing my big purge. Like it for all of you guys to see and should do to self-development. And one thing that I realized I need to do is purge. What do I mean by purge? Let me see, can I get this filter off because this is really working. Okay, one thing that I realized that I need to do is get rid of a whole lot of stuff. For those of you who don't know me, I am a homeschooling mom, volunteer work from time to time, and I need to just get rid of some stuff because these books and stuff is running me out my house. So what I'm doing today, I'm outside and I look toe up from the floor up, but that's okay because I'm ready to get that we can have like a little yard sale, field trips or whatever, and then the rest, what the kids don't get rid of, I'm just gonna donate it because I'm done with it. So I just want to hop on. Do you have to do a purge? It doesn't have to be a homeschool purge. It can be clothes purge, shoes purge, anything necessary. These are just some purging, and I'm just basically trying to figure out, and I have way more. I probably have about 100 books I'm gonna be purging. I have a whole lot more books, so I'm gonna be purging today. I'm gonna be in and out of the barn, in and out of the house all day, so that's why you see me no makeup, no anything on. Who's gonna put on makeup? I keep it real. But at any rate, you guys, I'm gonna be in and out. The reason why I'm doing this also, I'm trying to connect it with my math, my economics lesson that I'm doing of income, and also with trying to look trying to make them appreciate how they need to look for resources that they have that they're not using, and maybe sell it for $1, $2, $3. It don't have to be a lot of money, and just to help them see how they can earn their own money by just doing something as simple as a yard sale. You can do it online or you can do it in your yard. So right now we're purging books, collecting books. These are really good books, and we're just gonna maybe sell them for maybe like $1, $2, $3. Maybe if I get too frustrated, you know what, I'm just gonna drop them off at the Goodwill or put out a post that people can just come pick them up, because I get frustrated with it after a while. I'm like, you know what, just forget it. Just tell somebody to come pick this whole thing up. But you guys have a great rest of your day. So, are you purging today? Oh, and I forgot to tell you, I'm Tina Jacobs Ramsey, and I'm from Homeschooling and Oils. My specialties are health and wellness, and I'm an educational consultant. So therefore, that's why I came into town with all these books and stuff. So I'm purging so that I can revamp my classroom with some more stuff that I'm going to be getting later. You guys have a great rest of your day. Talk to you later. Bye.